So this is how you can share your cursor between your Mac system and your iPad by pushing right through the side of the screen, and then it pops up down here on your iPad. So not all Apple devices are going to support this universal control. So if you watch this video and you're missing options, you might not have a compatible model. I'm using the iPad Pro 13-inch M5 and the Mac Mini M4 and just a Logi Bluetooth mouse. So just a few things real quick. You want to make sure you're signed into the same iCloud account on both devices. You also want to make sure your devices are within 20 to 30 feet of each other, and you want to have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on your devices and handoff. I'm going to walk you through the settings right now of how to do this. So I'll go on my Mac system here and go to the system settings, and then in here I'm just going to go to displays, and then once I'm in displays over here, choose advanced. You want to make sure you toggle on those two that I have toggled on. So once you have those two on, then you can come over to your iPad, select the system settings, tap on general, and then you want to tap on AirPlay and continuity. And then in here you want to make sure you turn on handoff, so toggle that one on. And then the one here that says cursor and keyboard, make sure that one's turned on. Once those are enabled, you should be able to take your cursor and push right through the side of your screen, and it'll pop up on your iPad. You might need to change the display arrangements in order to get the cursor to come out the left side or the right side and so forth on your Mac system. So in here under system settings, go back into system settings on the Mac, go back into displays, then down at the bottom of that box, go to arrange. In here, you can select right there, it says iPad Pro. If I left click on that, I can move that around then and make arrangements. And if I put that over on this side, that means on my screen, the cursor is going to go out this side, depending on how you all might have your stuff set up. But anyway, that's all I had for you. A quick little video. Hopefully that helps out your workflow. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button and share it, and I'll see you in the next one.